Hello, welcome to Tricky IELTS. I'm sure you will be fine. Those students who are unable to secure 7 band in IELTS writing module should stay here. Watch this video till the end in order to improve your writing score in a rewarding way. In this video, I'll share 8 smart tips which will enhance your writing score instantly. Stay here and watch this video till the end. The first point which I'm going to share with you is do not write wordy sentences. For example, there is, there are, and it is. Most students they start their sentences with there is, there are, it is. These words play no role, but it will make your sentence wordy. So try to avoid these words if you want to write concise sentences. For example, wordy sentence. There are various issues due to which government is facing problems and cannot provide employment opportunities. So if you want to write the same sentence means in concise manner, so you have to start like this, that government is unable to provide employment opportunities because of various issues. So now I have means skipped there are. So means if you start your sentence with there is, there are, or it is, so it will mean decline your band score. So try means to skip these words. Never ever start your sentence from there is, it is, or there are if you want to secure higher band. The second example which I am going to share with you is it is the duty of government to educate almost every individual for the sake of development. So if you want to write this sentence in a concise manner, so government should educate every individual to get development. So means if you just start your sentence with there is, there are, it is, it will make your sentence wordy. So try to avoid means the usage of these words. The second point which I am going to share with you is improve your grammar and use strong verbs. So strong verbs are those which can which help readers to imagine or know exactly what the writer is trying to describe, and they convey a stronger degree of meaning than a weaker verb with the same meaning. So means you have to use strong verbs if you are targeting 7 plus band. For example, I am happy that your performance is better. So instead of better, you can use I am happy that your performance is improved. So it means another example, she was walking through the corridor. So she slinked through the corridor. So try to use strong verbs instead of weaker in order to get higher band. The third point which I am going to share with you is use less common words and collocation. It means try to use words which will enhance your writing score, because lexical resources hold 25% marks. So try to use less common words. For example, if you are using the word very interesting, so try to use the word fascinating. If you are using the words too much important, you should use substantive. Instead of improve, you can use enhance. Instead of difficult, you can use challenging. Like instead of heat, you can use searing heat. Depressed, like you can use collocation, deeply depressed. So try to use less common words and collocation if you want to secure higher band. And if you just get higher band and lexical resources, for sure you will get 7 plus in IELTS writing. So try to use less common words. For example, I'll just use these words in a sentence like government started very interesting projects to attract too many tourists. So I can replace these words, means the common word like authority, means I have replaced the government with authority. So authority convinced means started, I have replaced with convinced. Very interesting, I have replaced with fascinating. So authorities commenced fascinating projects to allure a considerable number of tourists. So means I have replaced the common words with less common words. So try to use less common words if you want to secure higher band. Phrasal words. So if you are targeting 7 plus band, you have to skip phrasal word. Never ever use phrasal words, because it will decrease your band score. Avoid the usage of phrasal words such as find out, break down, put up, or warm up. Replace them with more formal words like such as discover, disintegrate, or assemble and heat. So try to use formal words. Mostly phrasal words are informal. So try to use formal words instead of phrasal verb. Do not use short form of words and contraction. Keep in mind that if you are using short form of words and contractions, so it will mean there must be effect on your score, because short form of words and contractions they are informal, so never ever use in academic writing. So if you are using them, you will never ever get higher band. So try to avoid means short form as well as means contractions. Note, do not use negative form of words. What does it mean by negative form of word? For example, government cannot tackle this issue. So instead of tackle, you can use a word like government is unable to tackle this issue. So means instead of negative, you can use means a positive word which means have the same meaning. So try to avoid the usage of means negative words. Do not repeat any word more than 2 times. Keep in mind, if you are aiming for higher band, so never ever repeat any word means more than 2 times. Use synonyms, but be careful to pick the correct one. Means mostly students they are using synonym, but they are just picking the wrong one. So try to pick the correct synonym if you want to secure higher band, and never ever repeat a word more than 2 times. Use passive voice. Means passive means voice is more formal as compared to active. So try to use various sentences means in passive manner, or you can say use passive structures in order to secure higher band. For example, I conducted a study of primary school teachers. Study was conducted of primary school teachers. So means try to use passive in your academic writing. Means you can use it in task 1 as well as in task 2. And the last tip which I'm going to share with you is read sample band 9 essays and write the strongest paragraph first, followed by the weakest paragraph in the middle, and the second strongest at the last. So always try to use means the strongest paragraph first, that you think that I have full command on this idea, or you can explain one idea means in a better way. So try to write that, and then if you have not command, or you think that this idea I have no information about that, you should write that in the middle and try to write the second strongest at the last. So it will mean whenever someone will read, they'll have good impression and they will surely avoid you higher band. So if you want to secure higher band, so you have to work on these 8 areas. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.